Walking over Hoover. After crossing the Arizona desert, there's an opportunity to enter and see the Hoover Dam from the Nevada entrance. There's a pedestrian bridge. It's called the Mike O'Callahan Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge. Which was constructed during 2005 to 2010. That bridge is 880 feet above the river. As you near it, you see it is quite close to the highway, and it's very windy up there. I was afraid my camera was going to blow right out of my hands, but the views were magnificent. There it is, the beautiful Colorado River. It generates electricity for 20 million people and provides irrigation to land for crops. The dam ties Nevada to Arizona. It was completed in 1936. Hoover is the nation's third largest dam. I hope those cars don't cross through the barrier. As the day drew to a close, it was time to leave this magnificent engineering feat and to drive on through the Black Canyon near Boulder City.